Shine, 76-63. Why is it na itong, okay, before that, aarangkada na mga kapatid ang Ronda Pilipinas. Tutukan ng exclusive highlights. Monday to Friday, 10 p.m., Saturday, 10:30 p.m., at Sunday, 10:15 p.m. So TV5, magsisimula ngayong February 1. I understand that something Petron needs to really energize the troops. And then going back to Ronda Pilipinas, si Mike San Juan ba ito? Siya yung tatapon nyo dito. Kaya nakabike din siya, di ba? When he covers. Ayun, nag-exercise ba si Mike? Ano naman yung bisikleta yun? Good luck to all the riders sa Ronda Pilipinas. Talented cyclists all over the country. Actually, that's the reigning champion, Patang. Meantime, Larry Rodriguez to Jervy. Blocked by Arwin. One more try. Got it. Twisting reverse layup for Jervy Cruz.
At 13 para dito kay Jervy. He's got 6 rebounds as well. And when you look at the lineup of Rain or Shine, up and down the order, so many guys contributing. It's like what they did, like what they did the entire year.
Lassiter all alone. Things to do here for Petron.
First of all, they got to take care of the basketball. If they take care of the basketball, people get more attempts. So far in this game, Riverside has 13 more attempts because of number of turnovers.
Jervy Cruz now with 15. 80-67, Rain or Shine, so dominant. We check our NY Ram, 5 on the floor, celebrating since 1854. Derek Teng, Larry Rodriguez, Gabe Norwood gets the pass and the basket.
When Rain or Shine is going, everything is going their way. The one thing that you really notice about this team, the willingness to share the basketball. Here's just a beautiful assist from Gabe Norwood.
Liberate assist brought to you by Liberate Silver Capsule. Helps protect your liver naturally. Be a liver lover with Liberate. Bonus free throw para kay Gabe Norwood. Actually, nagbalak ako dyan sumali dyan sa Ronda Pilipinas. Kasi dream ko yan Yung bata, di ba nung bata na ay magugusto ka. Diba? Yung mga Arnel Krimit yan. Idol natin yan. Bawal din may side ka. Ito yung pogsi ko
Kala ko may training needs.
Hapayag ka na ako pogsi. Chips ko.
Bakit ka ng Baguio? Siyempre, kailangan may dukot-dukot ka dyan sa side na
saan ako matutulog? James Velasquez has this report.
The last set of both teams, both coaches basically said the same thing. The mentally tougher team will close this one out. Sabi ni Coach Yengyao, let's start and end the fourth quarter strong. Attack the basket, keep up the intensity. Sabi naman ni Coach Gia Banilla, expect the contact, get the finish. Let's play strong, guys. Let's get this one.
Salamat, James. A miss there by Junmar Fajardo. And we welcome you to the early moments of the fourth and final quarter. Norwood. Pasa muna kay Rodriguez. Shot clock down to 10. Jeff Chan pulling up. Rebound, Junmar. 9 rebounds for the Kraken. 82-69. Rain or Shine ahead. Paulo Hubalde.
Quietly, Paulo Hubalde has gotten some major minutes here because he's playing tough defense on one end. Tapos siya, agresibo siya sa opensa nila.
Derek Teng sets up Norwood. Norwood for 3. Now Fajardo with a double-double. 21 points and 10 rebounds. Nahanap ng paraan ng Petron para makahabol dito. They throw the ball away. Baksak si Hubalde. Here comes Larry Rodriguez. Rodriguez is fouled and a basket is good.
Smart with that. You can't fault the effort, but you can't give up 3-point plays right here. You're trying to keep into this lead. Marshall picks up his third foul and gives an opportunity para kay Larry Rodriguez.
I hope si Larry Rodriguez never gets traded. I hope he stays with Raider Shine for the rest of his career.
Why is that?
Kasi siya yung
Epitome.
classic win or shine player. Ang tawag nga ni Raymond yun, their team owner, yan, piso-piso ga. Parang piso-piso lang na siya. Bake-shoot lang ang dating eh.
Bawal tumalon pag tumitina.
Hubalde. Paulo Hubalde. Just keeping Alex Cabagnon on the bench.
Paulo Hubalde, he's got 6 points. There's a combination of Chico, Chris Lutz, and Alex Cabagnon. They only have 6 together.
Good hustle by Chris Chu. So, bola muli ng Rainer Shine with under 8 minutes to go in the 4th and final quarter.
And nakibagay ng mga hustle plays na yan. Tatapik yung bola and another opportunity which has led to all these second chance points para sa Rainer Shine.
I bet there are people at home surely expecting, mas dikit na laro kasi Petron Rainer Shine to eh. Especially it's Petron.
But you look at the score, hindi siya kalayuan, but the feel, think of the general feel, you know which team is playing much better basketball.
Lassiter. Strong drive there, absorbing the contact, and Lassiter with 12 points. You're right. It's actually just a 12-point lead, which Petron, with all their firepower, can easily erase. In a heartbeat. But it's just that the body language and the whole feeling with confidence there. And last touch on Lassiter. Yung body language, yung air of confidence, talaga nasa panic ng Rainer Shine. Back to the game. Belga with a magic pick. Chris Chu for 3.
Rainer Shine has actually not shot well for most of this game, especially from 3-point country, only 2 out of 20.
This PLDT Home DSL PBA Philippine Cup is presented by the reliable family-size connection of PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Look out. Junmar, ginawang surfboard. Yung likod ni Bo. Hindi, ayun pa. Teddy Bear.
Hinakap si Bo. But foul on Bo because he actually backed up on Junmar.
12-point lead. Fajardo to Hubalde. Fajardo wants a repost. Gets the end pass. Blocked by Jeff Chan.
And the thing is, Rainer Shine is sagging so much that they're just in the general vicinity of Junmar Fajardo.
Okay na sa Rainer Shine. If Paulo Hubalde wants to take 10 3-point shots, they'll probably allow it.
What's happening is when Junmar gets the ball, all those standing around allows Rainer Shine to just make the floor smaller.
Christian, scoop shot. Oh! May oras pa para makahabol ang Petron Blades Boosters. Open shot. That's for three. In and out. And there's Junmar Fajardo with another basket and another rebound.
Junmar, what is that? 23 and 12?
Wow. However, 10 puntos pa rin ang kailangan na bulin ng Petron Blades. We'll see kung mababawasan yung confidence level ng Rainer Shine and Rick Norwood and Arwin Santos colliding in midair. Si Alex Cabagnot ang tinawagan ng foul. Guys struggling tonight, si Alex Cabagnot, si Chris Lutz. This is our Photon Thunder Drive brought to you by Photon. Empower your business. Chillax fast break by Larry Rodriguez. Wade Norwood, 2 for 2. 7 points off the bench. Back to a 12-point advantage para sa Rainer Shine. Petron goes back to the Kraken. Kick out kay Lassiter. Lassiter goes right. Pasa kay Kabagkot. Corner!
Just can't put points together is Petron. Now those are open looks. They gotta make that right now.
It seems that every time Rain or Shine is pushing the ball, Petron is just caught backpedaling. Time out. Offensive rebound para sa Rain or Shine. Amo din sa kanila ng ball throughout the game.
And ball on the floor has usually gone to Rain or Shine. And usually, team that wins that battle is the team that wins the game.
That is now 14 rebounds for Junmar Fajardo. The more pressing matter here is kailangan nilang humabol. Less than 5 minutes remaining dito sa fourth and final quarter. 9 seconds to shoot. We're back to Junmar. Ball ends up with Flats on the left side. Babalik kay Junmar at the post. Junmar turns around. No go. Rebound. Almasan.
Empty attacks para dito sa Petron. Good look, pero di pumapasok para sa kanila.
Molly on the move. Step. Arwin all alone. For the jam.
Arwin Santos.
Now it's a 10-point game.
10 points lang yan. Napakaliit yan, especially with the firepower of Petron.
Chris Chu, Bo Belga, Raymond Almasan, Jeff Chan, and Paul Lee. Yan ang unit ng Rain or Shine. Chris sends it to Bo. Bo for 3. Short. This could be that last push para sa Petron. Foul along the mid-court line from Chris Chu.
Take that three-pointer, and that three-pointer not really falling for Coach Yang's boys.
3.5 to go in the ball game. This is game 1 of the best-of-7 semifinals. Fajardo locates Lutz. Lutz, baseline, blocked by Almasan. Lutz again, blocked by Belga. Chris to Jeff to Almasan. And rock and roll!
Raymond Almasan doing it on both ends of the floor. Starts out with good defense, a block shot. But here, that's one good pass, that's two good passes. Defense cannot react. Three-point play. Raymond Almasan.
If it's your day, it's your day.
Kahit na yung mga bola na 50-50, maaaring lumabas o pumasok para sa Rain or Shine. Sa araw na to, pumapasok siya talaga.
Almasan, maybe out of sheer excitement, hindi na complete yung three-point play. Nevertheless, nabang pa rin ang Rain or Shine, 91-79. Alex Lubis. Almasan with another rebound. The rookie with 9 rebounds in the game. Bagsak si Paul Lee at si Chris Lutz. Nakahingi ng timeout. Si Paul Lee with 2:54 remaining in the ball game.
Gotta be aware though, if you're Rain or Shine, just a few seconds to cross that half line.
Pinas, tutukan ng exclusive highlights Monday to Friday, 10 p.m. Saturday, 10:30 p.m. at Sunday, 10:15 p.m. sa TV5. Magsisimula na ngayong February 1. Very excited. Okay, so 12:51 natitira dito. And Petron, last push time here.
Yes, and Rain or Shine was not aware that they had to cross the line in 2
Hindi na
seconds.
nakakasabi. Hindi kasi
Tama. Dapat manood sila ng game.
Paul Lee against Lutz. Foul! 2 free throws para kay Paul Lee. I guess we can say that, remember how Paul Lee played dun sa mga unang bagay sa 31? I mean, he just kept on attacking and he did not care sino na doon nakabang. Arwin, wala, al-attack. Junmar, al-attack. It doesn't matter. And parang sumunod na lahat sa kanya. You know, the way he started the second half. These are Be Fresh, sigaw ng bayan, brought to you by Be Fresh. Karunungan, kabutihan, kapayapaan, bukang bibig sa lamig.
follow what the coach is asking from you. Yung ginawa nila, sabi, umatake daw. Ball lead. So really did a number on Petron in terms of scoring and attacking in the fast break in that third.
Laking foul on Chris Chu. That's his second personal. Pangatlong team foul laban sa Raider Shine. 2 free throws for Marshall Lassiter. 12 points so far para kay Lassiter. Make that 13.
You know, but para kay Marshall Lassiter, yes, it's 13 points, but it's been a very quiet 13, especially because of his field goal shooting. Only 3 out of 12.
Which I'm sure kaya mong itahiyan dun sa nakita natin that si Junmar, every time he touches the ball, 3 Raider Shine defenders yung nakaangkalat sa kanya.
And it's because the guards have not been able to make Raider Shine pay.
Ruiz is pushed. A penalty. Penalty ng Petron. So 2 free throws for Alex Willis. If Paulie set the tone unang bahagi ng third, this man set the tone in the very first quarter.
Yes, in the very first quarter, getting to the paint and making layups, and then after that, yung mga offensive rebound niya, ang laking bagay nun, from that guard spot, picking up offensive rebound. Had 3 in the first quarter.
94-81 as we near the last 2 minutes of fourth and final quarter. Mabangkot, abot kay Lassiter, 14 to shoot. Junmar, oh, missed it! Chris Cho to Ruiz. Perfectly anticipated by Arwin Santos. Pero bola pa rin ng Raider Shine. Shot clock read 17. No need to rush para sa Raider Shine. They absolutely know that. Ball lead, zigzagging. Finding Chris to Bo. Shot clock down to 5 and a strike by Lassiter. Over to Arwin Santos.
Still there. Still a slim chance here para dito sa Petron. Gotta force more turnovers though.
1 minute and 42. Yan ang natitirang oras dito sa fourth and final quarter. Timeout para sa Raider Shine. Lamang sila 94, legally possible. Junmar Fajardo carrying the load. 23 points.
Remember the series that he had against him during the semifinals. There's another turnover here.
Here we go. Arwin with a stretch. That's just a 9-point lead for Raider Shine. 20 points for Arwin. They'll send Chris Chu to the free throw line. Yan ang pang-apat na personal foul ni Arwin Santos. At kanina pa na sa penalty ng Petron Blades.
Look at Petron. Arwin as well as Junmar nandun 23 and 20. But then the other guys, Lassiter's scoreless. Alex Nabagnot 4. And we talked about Marshall. Yes, he has 13, but shot very poorly today.
You went Lutz. Lutz is scoreless.
Sorry, Lutz, yes.
So timeout para sa Petron. Score natin 96-85 with a minute and 31 to go in the payoff period. And Raider Shine could be less than 2 minutes away from grabbing a 1-0 series lead. Unless Petron can find a way to score 11 points in less than 2 minutes. Manila Classic on the semifinal edition starts tomorrow night, 8 p.m. live here on TV5. Game number 1.
That's going to be fun. That's going to be a fun series right there. This is a fun series as well. You know, you look at both teams that entered the semifinals. These are all the teams that really enjoyable to watch, especially matchup-wise.
Of course, Raider Shine, the hottest of the 4 teams.
Yeah.
Poised to win yet another game in succession.
And their wins have been fairly dominant.
Whoa, Lassiter for two. Brought to you by PLDT Home PSL, the #1 home broadband. Just an 8-point game with 1:19 to go. And Leonard Shine showing up poise. 8 to shoot. Paul Lee. Laban kay Lutz. Paul Lee fouled and he'll take 2.
And again, key basket right there, or key points needed. Paul Lee settles down his team and is able to get to the free throw. Kumain na ng oras, may pagkakataon pang palaki lamang.
$15 points for Paul Lee. Make that 16. Big second half for Paul Lee. He's just huge. So timeout para sa Petron and they're down by 10. 98-88. 109 ang natitira dito sa fourth and final quarter. At pakinggan natin ang huddle ni Coach Giovanni.
Mar's right here. Okay? It's gonna be Alex. Okay? Shoot Mar. Arwin. Okay? Let's have a cross screen. Okay? Cross screen for Alex. Alex, you're open. Okay? One shot. If not, okay? Use this screen. Down screen. Okay? Might be open for a 3-point shot. If not, you're closing up. Okay? Do it again. Do it again. I know. Okay. Okay? Marshall. Screen right here in the middle. Okay, Alex, you might be open here for a 3-point shot. If not, use the screen.
So 109 remaining. And coming up next, demolition job dito sa TV5. Lester fires a 3. Rebound Arwin. Lutz. Rough night for him. And he scores first 2 points of the ball game. So 8 points ang inahabol ng Petron. Under a minute to go. Again, Paul Lee will hold on to that ball.
If you're not going to foul him, you're not going to put pressure on him or double him. He's just going to wait for the final seconds, drive to the basket.
41 seconds. Ball on the Petron. That's it. Attack again. And he'll take 2. If Lutz makes both, takes that up. Yep.
Then, but at that point, you know the Petron already has to foul.
Two for 2 for Chris Lutz. Remember, both teams are in the penalty. Paul Lee. And foul given up in the backcourt. Para hindi na masyadong paubusin itong oras. He'll send Paul Lee to the free throw line. Last time Paul Lee was on the line, he made both.
Give you a guess. How many minutes did Paul Lee play today? Guess mo lang.
Sige, 16. Sabi mo. 24.
He's gonna finish with 21 minutes.
21 minutes?
18 points.
21 minutes. Si Philip na 14 eh. Sabi mo hula eh. Hindi pinabago talaga. 33.9 seconds remaining. Giovanni is still finding a way to erase this 8-point deficit with 33.9 to go. Mga kapatid, para maging updated sa latest and exclusive sports news, bisitahin lang ang www.sports5.ph at mag-log on para updated every day. Rainers shine. Oh, they led after the end of the first quarter by 8. Led by 9 at the half. Led by 13. Rewinded by Elasto. This is just a 5-point game.
Yes, you know, some people might be saying, bakit pa tumatayo si Coach Lee? Bakit pa lumalaban tong Petron? You never give up because you never know when lightning's gonna strike.
Yep. That three-point shot brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. So ngayon susubukan ang free throw shooting prowess ng rain or shine. It's open. Feeling deep Petron fans. Quiet. Quiet lang po. Makes the second. Sends them to quiet. 102-95, back to 7-point lead. One plays in the penalty situation. Wala na silang timeouts. Junmar sets up Lassiter. Lassiter for three. Oh, in and out. And
Could have been.
yeah. Pumasok na apat na. Went in, went out, and Arvin Santos fouls out with their double-double. Here's that play.
You see, almost in, not quite.
Oops, Masan missed it. By the way, Arvin Santos fouled that with 20 points, 17 rebounds, and 3 blocks. Raymond Almasad, second free throw. Concentrated and connecting. And with 23 seconds to go, let's see what Petron does here. Down by 8. Kapangot fires a three. And Rain or Shine will get game #1 of this series.
Rain or shine from start to finish. You really set the tone dito sa laro to. Only relinquished the lead for a portion of this game at 6-4. But they started out aggressive and they remained aggressive till the end of the game.
At the end of 4 quarters, Rain or Shine wins over Petron Blaze 103-95, and they get the initial upper hand in the series, 1-0. This is a best-of-7 semifinal matchup. Here's their final score: 103 for Rain or Shine and 95 for Petron. And, Rain or Shine leading by as many as 17 points in this game.
Right, for Rain or Shine, as always, it's always been a total team effort. But you always have to choose only one best player. And we had to choose Paul Lee. Paul Lee with 18 points, 2 rebounds, and assist and 2 steals. Main reason why Paul Lee is going to be our best player, Nico, in the third quarter, when it was critical, he was the one that actually was the catalyst in building yung pinakamalaking lamang ng Rain or Shine. And in the end, nung kailangan ng panapos, he was also that guy.
Yeah, the bulk of that 18 points sa second half niya ginawa. I think, 14? Yeah, 14 points in the second half. Inasahan natin nun, coming from the halftime break.